How to make Rice Krispie Treats with Marshmallow Fluff. Here's how to make Rice Krispie Treats with Marshmallow Fluff that might make you ditch your old recipe. It's easier, faster, and you have lesser chances of screwing it up. What is Marshmallow Fluff? It's also known as marshmallow cream or creme, marshmallow spread, and marshmallow paste. Basically, it's a spreadable version of the good old marshmallow that we know. It tastes just like marshmallows and is smooth and creamy. It's made of egg whites, sugar, corn syrup, and vanilla. Rice Krispie Treats with Marshmallow Fluff recipe. Rice Krispie Treats with a twist, using only 3 easy-to-find ingredients. Prep time, 8 minutes, cook time, 2 minutes, resting time, 2 hours, vertical bar total time, 2 hours 10 minutes, yield, 16 squares. Ingredients: 5 cups Rice Krispies cereal, 4 tablespoons salted butter, 7 ounces marshmallow fluff. Instructions. Step 1: grease the mixing bowl, rubber spatula, and square pan using non-stick spray. Step 2: pour the Rice Krispies cereal onto the mixing bowl and set aside. Step 3: melt the butter in the saucepan over low heat. Step 4: add the marshmallow fluff into the pan and stir constantly until well combined with the butter. Step 5: once the mixture becomes smooth, pour it over the cereals and toss to coat. Step 6: pour the cereal mixture onto the baking pan and spread into an even layer. Step 7: let it rest for 2 hours and cut into squares. Step 8: store in an airtight container and consume within 5 days.